Oh, let's go, go, go on a ride and enjoy this feeling inside. We're not sure what we will find, but we'll have a great time. So let's go see what we'll do and do it all, me and you. Welcome to Aaron Press the Button Parks.
I'm able to use the songs that I didn't make in this video because I am either friends with the musician or it's available through Creative Commons. You can't just take your favorite song and put it in a YouTube video, unless it's under Creative Commons and with proper credit. So don't go thinking that you can after hearing music that isn't my own in my video. The songs used in this video are linked in the description, as they always are.
To notice me and the problems I have become. Riding shotgun in the passenger seat now. Spend the night at the open pine to get away from the concrete line. Lot of places when we were young, trying up as the clock keeps ticking by. Everything is falling out of place. Need to get back to familiar space. Keep myself from breaking down into shapes with you. Leave me wrapped in the red and brown because I've run out of ways to hide. Colors often green in time unless you're living in a world that's been tied now. Hanging out at the edge of town.
Since you don't have your glasses on.
I thought the 100, that's 100, so I thought that's a TM after the 100. 100 trademark.
Not 100.
100 trademark. 100 trademark.
Nobody else can use the number 100. Anyway, we're just gonna miss rope drop. We had to stop at, well, people are on Ghost Ride already.
Well, the park's not open till 10, you said. It's not even 10.
It's fine. But anyway, we're gonna have, it's quiet right now. We're gonna be able to do a lot of crap the first few hours. I'm not worried in the slightest.
Okay, but don't say we're gonna miss rope drop because it's not even 10 yet.
Oh, yeah, that's true. It is 9:45. We did not miss rope drop. I think it's gonna be a good morning until about noon or 1. And then well, this might be a short day. I think we all could use it. And I think we could all use another look at this beautiful mural.
Yeah, so we're gonna have 3 days in a row of this.
Yeah.
And there's no resting.
I'm guessing we'll be out of here by 4 or 5. Especially with the crowds the way it is now. And maybe we do dinner at downtown, a late dinner at downtown Disney at Earl.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Yeah. All right. We were both right. I just don't know what the all-day parking is all about. But that way and the other way both get you to the same parking lot.
Yeah.
But the signs say, yeah, they are. Uh-oh, school buses. That's not a good sign. Thank you. Okay, time to get ready to go through security and into the park. We are in the park. First stop, Ghost Rider. Unfortunately, hang time is not running today. Oh, Silver Bullet, still testing. Yeah, I think Ghost Rider is the only thing running with people. If I remember, that's what they usually do. Like that opens before the park. It's right here, huh? Oh, the line's decent already, though. Did Ghost Rider seem a little bit rougher to you, or it was the same? How did it feel?
A lot rougher.
It felt like a lot rougher?
Yeah.
It seemed smooth as silk for me. It's like you weren't even on a coaster. Well, anyway, the line was actually pretty big because I think that's the only thing that's open right now. So everybody's going to that first, which makes sense. So we are heading towards the bullets, the silver bullets.
Oh my gosh, I punched my brother the first time I went.
There's Spuds. I missed him. It's not a...
I wish he was the cutout. Else I could take my picture with him.
But at least he's still here in spirit form. He's looking down on us, blessing us.
He does look like a spirit.
That train will actually be ours. Aaron's first ever B&M, your first ever invert, your first ever, what kind of coaster? What kind of coaster, your first ever?
Real.
Alright, you almost blacked out and puked? Why?
I mean, probably because I took cold medicine.
And?
The G's on there.
Yeah. Yeah, that was intense.
So I'm like, I don't know if I should go on any more rides, man. I feel sick after that.
Log ride? We should probably turn around. No, we can go through this way. Yeah,
And I look super chunky in the coaster picture. Oh no.
You look very cute. You're healthy.
Chunky.
Healthy.
You like me chunkier, don't you?
No, I like you cute, and you're cute no matter what. All right, log ride next. We're gonna head around the corner. I don't think we were at Fiesta Village yet, and we haven't been to Cap Snoopy yet. This is a quiet section of the park. Of course, nothing's really open over here yet. I wonder if it's a chicken and the egg thing. No, it's definitely not. Because the chickens aren't here yet because the eggs haven't been laid.
What are you talking about?
Randomness. We're heading around the corner, going on the log ride. I don't know. This is up there with Splash Mountain. It might be better than Splash Mountain.
Really?
I love this. I love this log ride. It's a fight. Splash Mountain probably wins, but it's a fight. It goes to a judge's decision. We are now in line for Timber Mountain Log Ride. Honestly, this might be my favorite flume ride. It's really close between this and Splash Mountain. When I get off, I'll give you my final verdict. This is the first time. Aaron, edit it out if I stop you. Edit out the first time if I did say that this is my first or maybe second favorite. Okay? Okay. It's official for me. Did anybody else change their mind?
No.
Ah, it's my favorite. It's my favorite flume ride.
You're weird.
The song is just so quaint and...
Keep your hands and arms inside. Keep your hands and arms inside.
The Logger's Creed, it's important. And don't you forget it.
Keep your hands and arms inside.
It smells good to me as well, this area.
Yeah, but it's Mexican food.
Yeah. I like Mexican food. I mean, I'm a little, well, I'm a little picky when it comes to Mexican food, but there's still quite a bit I'd eat. I just don't like refried beans.
Yeah, that one.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go on Jaguar, and then hopefully Montezuma's. Hopefully the line isn't too prohibitive. Aaron doesn't remember going on the Huff and Puff. I remember going on the Huff and Puff when I was that age. I just remember a guy walking around pushing if the kids get tired. I guess that makes sense. You want to do that one next? You want to do that one next? Take a then and now picture? Do you know it? Can you have it memorized yet or no?
No.
Neither do I. But we love it, so. Which is better, this opening spiel or the song "Keep Your Hands and Legs Inside the Car"?
Attention all guests, we'd like to monitor Ms. Advantage. At this time, we're experiencing a temporary delay. We will be
and put them in a secure place, such as a pocket or purse. Once you are seated, pull the lap bar toward you, and please remember to keep your hands and arms inside the car at all times.
Gates are closing, stand back, yellow gates, stand back, yellow gate.
That's a really fun one, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really short, but it's good. Oh, thank you. Boop. Hello. That's a fun ride. You've been on it before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? I don't know why I started recording. We're gonna have something to drink and then maybe look for lunch? Yeah, you don't need to see this part.
Oh, that's nice.
Well, at the refresh station?
Yeah.
Yeah. Knott's really is a very pretty park. Agreed?
What?
Very pretty park.
Yeah.
Thank you! Alright, let's keep moseying.
Yeah, I see it.
Aaron doesn't remember going on the Huff and Puff. Well, I told him I wanted to go on it again for a before, you know, a then and now pick. We talked about that. He remembers it. It's nothing alike. And that's just a carnival. Oh, that is cute. Do you want to win a little Snoopy?
It's like preparing me to go on Batman by going on an SLC.
Right, exactly. Actually, that's even a worse example, this one. But yeah, your point stands. The cave-in. I remember getting snacks here when a kid. Of course, the line wasn't quite as long. It's like a little, I only have 2 more must-dos.
What's that? Ghost Rider and?
I'd like to do Berry Tales again.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's a little busier than this can be, which is fine. We're really enjoying ourselves and we're getting almost everything knocked out our list. Small hiccup right now. Ghost Rider is sitting at 2.5 hours. And we don't know how we're feeling about that just yet. thing about this, I really like how they embrace the origins of the park by having boysenberries everywhere. And those picnic tables are really cute to have on the green grass. I really appreciate the style they're going for because they nail it. This is the best themed non-Disney, non-Universal park that I've ever been to. Of course, I'm sure there's European ones, but we haven't been to any European or Asian ones yet. Time will tell. Maybe even South American. I don't know. I haven't been there. I thought this was funny. He is best of all time. He hasn't been here today though. But that dude. I love how it jumps into the arcade still. I hope that never changes. And we might buy a thing or two in here. Okay, let's try that one again.
What happened?
At Knott's Berry Tale, we went on for the second time. I didn't record the first time. So I think we're heading out of the park. We're gonna eat first, then do some shopping, and then take a look at Soak City, right?
Yeah.
Sounds good. It's a little crazier here today than we thought, but that's fine. We got to do almost everything we got to do. Ghost Rider, while we love it, is not really worth the 2.5 hour wait.
Nothing's worth 2.5 hours unless you've never been on Steel Vengeance.
Right, Steel Vengeance or Rise of the Resistance.
No, but if you've never been on.
Right.
I wouldn't, if I've been on something, I would never wait that long of a line.
No, I agree.
We're wasting time.
It is. And we're gonna be back anyhow. I don't know. This way. Or that way. Still my... Yes. Just to get a little ambiance. This part's really quiet. This part's really quiet.
Mine's not quiet.
Well, no. It is pretty. Oh, and I told Aaron yesterday, but I didn't tell you. Right over, I was sitting out here at the time. It's the first time I ever drink sarsaparilla.
That's cool.
Yeah. It's one of those stupid memories that stick with you forever.
Yeah.
It was that table.
Here just for fun.
Sure. I don't know if we mentioned that we're gonna have Chicken's Knott's famous fried chicken for lunch, but we did.
Look at
Oops.
us.
What's that? Yeah. Oh. That's the face of a tired guy. That's not at 100%. And this is a girl who's also not at 100%. Here's a guy who is.
And chicken noodle soup though. And chicken noodle soup. What are you seeing here? This looks like a nice lagoon with some Tahitian village huts. And we're gonna go check out Soap City now and see how lame it is according to Daddy. We think it looks cool. I think it looks cool. What do you think? It's super busy. I can't tell what else they have in here because we don't have reservations. I don't want to wait and stand for a reservation. So we're just walking back to the parking lot. I like all the palm trees and everything because you don't usually see this at other water parks, but of course you're going to see it because you're where?
In California.
Exactly. It's pretty. But I want to see a map. Maybe there's a map online we can look at. Because I don't care about water park maps spoiling it, do you?
No.
They're all pretty much the same. We just got to see if there's a wave pool, if there's a lazy river. Alright, let's go find Daddy.
think of Soak City?
It looks cool. We weren't able to go in.
Oh, why not?
Oh, we don't have a reservation.
Oh, see, they actually do check those.
No, but they said they can give us one. They just had to put it on our pass, but I'm like, nah, it's not worth it.
Oh, okay. Well, that makes sense. They're on the pass.
I can show you. Walking there is really pretty too, right, Aaron?
Yeah.
Alright, we are having dinner at Earl Sandwich here in downtown Disney. It's a beautiful evening. We spent a couple hours just relaxing in the room. We all need a breather.
A vacation.
A vacation. Yeah. A vacation from our vacation. Yeah, right now we're going to eat and then we're going to do some of our shopping. Then we're going to go back to the room and we're going to rest and get our sleep because the next 3 days are early mornings and long days. Look at that face. She can't wait. Do you? It does.
What that tree thing?
Oh, there's a child, but these trees are still from rainforest. Yeah. Did we ever eat at this one though?
I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't think so either. Yeah. Isn't it weird?
What?
This is the rainforest.
Yeah.
This is the gift shop of the Rainforest Cafe.
Through there, by the
That's where you go to eat.
yeah, all the fish. Yeah, let's do that. We're gonna just walk through the Disneyland Hotel for a little bit. It's not that far. I mean, we're
Really not out of the way.
yeah, it's really not
I know,
that much.
instead of turning right here, you're gonna go straight and then you're gonna
Beautiful night.
You always say that.
But this one is this is the best of the beautiful nights that I have set. Gorgeous breeze. And it's quiet over here, which makes it nice too. More people coming in.
Jeez.
Yeah. Can't tell if they went overboard or if it's just cool enough. Anyway, we're at the Disneyland Hotel right now in the Fantasy Tower. That's why I'll wallpaper's like that. And this little section right here totally reminds me of the Disney cruise ship. Probably the Wonder. It smells like it too. But let's find out what the other two are up to. Hopefully it comes out well, but there's a lot of lighting effects in here. That's really neat. But it's also a lot of glaring glare, so I'm not sure how much of it you can actually see. It looks more like an orbit than it does. Good chance. Aha! If everything goes according to plan, this is a ship we will be on in December. Spoiler. But we've been on the Dream, so the layout's pretty much identical, so it's not really spoiling a whole lot for us. Still haven't found the other two yet, though. But I haven't been looking that hard. Let me look harder now. Disney Hotel at night almost makes me think about spending the money to stay here. It is something special.
Look at Kitchen Restaurant.
What?
Did you ever eating there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we ate there.
We're just sat in the blue talking for us with the entrances inside them.
Yeah, we took the girls there, and I think we ate.
With Italian.
Yeah, twice.
I think so.
Damn, this place is gorgeous at night.
This place is just gorgeous.
Well, yeah, but I mean, especially, I mean, it's everything at Disney's better at night, but this especially.
Oh, I don't know about this place.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, this is what I wanted to show you.
Oh. The rum?
Well, the Tangora Terrace.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Can you get all the drinks you can and,
Well, I don't remember. I just remember.
And they never had a party.
We were here.
Yeah.
I don't know. I didn't think it was November.
Yeah, that probably had something to do with it.
We were so full because we had salt and straw and like drinks at Trader Sam's and everything. But we were coming back this way, and then you could get Dole Whip right there.
Oh, okay, cool.
But they didn't. I don't know if we have one.
Okay, we're gonna slowly head back. So it's quarter scale.
Or the vending, I think you keep this though, right? It's great for, is that?
It's not
They have a
quarter
gold fish
scale.
tank.
Is that quarter?
No, it's a quarter inch.
It's not it was a quarter foot to a foot.
Yeah,
That'd
that
be
makes a little bit
small
more
thing
sense.
coming out in Railroad. Isn't that cool?
It is cool.
I never saw it before.
If it was a quarter foot to a foot, size.
It debuted when you were 4 years old, Daddy.
Mm-hmm. It's an exact replica. Well,
Where's the goat?
the goat's there. The goat's where the goat should be.
Oh yeah, there he is. It's cool.
It's very cool.
I'm gonna shrink and go on it right now.
Or you can stay the same size and go on it tomorrow.
No, it'd be cool to go in here and do
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Encased in glass. You're always looking like that. You're like,
Me?
oh, Aaron. It's always at an awkward.
$500
Hold on.
later.
$500 later. Did we really spend that much?
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, but you got stuff for your friends at work, right?
Yeah.
And we ate a roll sandwich, and then we walked through the. Well, you saw
There's
that.
a lot of files on here.
Yeah, I know.
It's almost red.
We're gonna clear it. Yeah, we haven't cleared this SD card yet, and that's surprising considering all the footage you've seen. I'd say 95% of it's just from this GoPro. True story.
True story, bro.
Also, true story. We got almost everything we wanted to do at Knott's except for Ghost Rider.
2.5 hour wait, but you knew that.
Yeah, it's not worth it. It's close. It's worth an hour and a half, maybe.
And at least we ate chicken dinner.
Yeah, that was nice.
And it was yummy.
And this
It
was.
wasn't really dinner.
Well, yeah, chicken
It's
lunch.
called chicken dinner, though.
Okay.
Woo! But today was a
And
good...
we said Happy New Year at the same time.
Why were you counting down anyway? I didn't record it. You're crossing the street and you like to count?
We're counting down the crosswalk. 32.
Okay.
31.
No.
Stop.
But today was a nice relaxing day. Tomorrow's not going to be a nice relaxing day.
Oh man, today wasn't that relaxing.
Yeah, it was, well, for us it was.
Not really for me.
Not really for me either. At least I took a tiny nap, but Aaron's like didn't even relax.
All right.
I said relax. I got on my computer time.
Tomorrow is going to be a great day, but busy. And you guys will find out right after Aaron presses the button.
Well, not right after, because it's not going to come out right after.
Oh, well, that's true. All right, just Aaron, press
Wait
the
for
button.
it. Wait for
Aaron,
it.
press
It's
the button.
coming whenever.